Okay. Ready?
You gonna beat?
You go first, and we can switch.
Okay. Hey, hey, hey. My name is a rap beat, and I'm here just to show you a little special little thing. I'm in YKB Monologue Show. You should come and we'll have a good go. We gon' have a lot of little people saying little stuff that really get you hot. Madison's gonna be there too. She gonna come and tell you what she gonna do. Hey.
Hey! I'm biracial and I'm gonna complain. I know you see it there even if it rains. You can sit right in the first row. Be next Friday at our monologue show.
Hey!
Baby gonna be there talking about she pretty. And we'll make some jokes cause we just that witty. You gotta buy a ticket, it's $5. If you decide to the show, let me hear you holler. My friends gonna be there, we gonna have some fun. YKB show everyone. Hey!